This is a 2006 model Innova. So today we are changing the steering. This is V model Innova used steering with volume control. We are changing the steering into this Innova. Actually, you can see this steering is the old 3-spoke steering which comes in 2006, 2005 to 2011 model, and there is no airbag. This is a car. This car we converted into Type 4 shape. All these cars we converted into Type 4 shape. This is one car which recently converted. There is no painting work happened. Only the conversion fitting work only over. This car almost in finishing stage. So first we remove this old steering and we are fitting this new model steering. First we remove the horn part. Then we remove the steering wheel. Then we can fix the new steering wheel. Finally the airbag.